Oh, this is your favourite farm.
What?
No! No!
I am the ghost of Cough.
Where are you?
I am everywhere. I am omnipresent. I am Cough.
But you're in my penis.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in your genitals as well.
Oh, no. Okay.
I'm making the whole entire place.
No!
Yay.
No, it's not right.
I know I did that too.
Okay, we need to get this monster. Okay. In the next episode,
I'm going to get you.
in the next episode, I'll try. I'll try.
Now I have manifested into a bomb. I shall kill you.